Earn $750 a day with minimal effort. Beginner's Guide to Making Money Online Using Your Phone. In today's video, I'll show you the easiest way to earn $750 daily from your mobile phone. You don't need any skills, a degree, or prior work experience. This money-making strategy has allowed PewDiePie to earn more than $500,000 per month. Graham Stephan has also earned as much as $100,000 every month. Some YouTubers who are not as popular as PewDiePie and Graham are making as much as $7,000 a month. This is just passive income. Based on a Rakuten survey, their average annual income for affiliate marketing is approximately $154,000, the highest earners making millions of dollars per year. Don't be alarmed by the term affiliate marketing because I understand your thoughts, but you'll be amazed by what you're about to discover in this video. I know that you're beginning to wonder, how can you get the same results as these big timers? It seems intimidating and impossible, but in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do this in the same way that these big timers did. You really don't have to worry because I'm going to do all the hard work for you. Just follow these 3 easy steps and I'm pretty sure that at the end of the video, you will be doing this right away. The first step is to identify something that you enjoy doing, but also has a market demand, which means that people are willing to pay for it. You must find the perfect balance between demand, your passion, and profitability. This framework is precisely what most successful people use to earn thousands of dollars every month, and it's also what we'll use today. Create a list of your favorite things. When I did this myself, I jotted down 15 to 20 items. It could be anything, as long as you have a passion for it. Personally, I chose YouTube and digital products for my list. After creating your list, you must compare it to the most lucrative business niches. Don't overlook this step since it'll determine if your chosen niche is profitable. Health, wealth, and relationships are 3 of the most profitable and sustainable niches in business. This is the exact method that all successful YouTubers use to select the niche for their YouTube channels. People are really going to fall into these niches because they want to make more money, become healthier, or improve their relationships. These are fundamental human necessities that have been and will always be present. They're not just trends. The second step is that you must select one of the following 3 websites: Digistore24, ClickBank, or Pro University. Let me say that Pro University is the finest among them. However, if you opt for something like Digistore24, visit their homepage, register for a free account, and look for a product that's related to your chosen niche and has a minimum 50% payout. Once you've identified the product, click on Become an Affiliate, get your affiliate link, and start advertising the product, generating sales and earning money. You can also opt for another website, ClickBank, which is similar to Digistore24. Simply visit their homepage, create a free account, search for a product in your niche, and select Promote to start promoting the product. If you're unsure about how to sign up for these platforms, don't worry. I'll show you how to do this later in this video. Finally, the best affiliate program you can join is Pro University, which is the most challenging one. Basically, you'll need to go to their website, enter your email at the bottom of the page, and click I want to start getting paid. In the third step, this is where we'll start making some money. Let's look for the most popular channels on YouTube that teach how to make money online. For the purpose of this video, I want to choose a niche where people can earn money. Now let's search on YouTube for these keywords, how to make money online. But if you're working in a different niche, you can type in the relevant keywords. The next step is to click on the filters option and select channels. This will filter the search results and show us various channels related to how to earn money online. Choose 3 channels that you find interesting and open them in new tabs. Make sure that these channels have millions of views. Once you're in the channel, select the Videos tab and filter them by most popular. Additionally, to find out which videos are currently popular and getting a high number of views, you can use a tool called vidIQ. You can download this extension and then select the Trending tab in the channel you're interested in. This will display the videos that are currently trending along with the number of views they're receiving per hour. This information will be useful in deciding which videos to create. You need to select the top 10 most viewed videos from each of the 3 channels you picked by filtering their videos by most popular. This means that millions of people have watched these videos. Additionally, if you want to know which videos are trending in those channels and getting the most views per hour, you can use the vidIQ extension by clicking on the Trending tab. This information is essential for selecting the right videos for creating passive cash flow. Once you've selected 10 videos from 3 channels, you need to save them somewhere on your computer. So all in all, you have chosen and saved 30 videos. The next part is where you need to exert a little effort because most of the hard work will be done by ChatGPT. You have to rewrite the entire script for those videos. To do this, it's essential to use Google Chrome, and you can install the YouTube summary with the ChatGPT Chrome extension for free. When you've installed the YouTube summary with ChatGPT Chrome extension, you can access the transcript and summary feature by clicking on it. This will show you the entire video script, and you can then click on Copy Transcript in plain text. Then open ChatGPT and paste the script into the text field. To make the rewritten video scripts more interesting and engaging, you'll use ChatGPT to rewrite them. Firstly, you'll copy the transcript in plain text from the YouTube summary extension, then paste it into ChatGPT. After giving the command to ChatGPT, it will rewrite the entire script to make it more fun and engaging. The next step is to instruct ChatGPT to convert the rewritten script into a script suitable for a PowerPoint presentation. This step is very important. After the conversion, you'll notice that ChatGPT has provided slide 1, slide 2, slide 3, and so on. You'll now have a PowerPoint presentation. However, ChatGPT has generated quite a long script, so the next move is to ask ChatGPT to reduce the length of the script to a maximum of 170 words. This is where your script will differ from the original video script. Before we move on, I want to address a concern that some people might have regarding potential copyright issues. You might be thinking that we're stealing other people's videos, but that's not the case. In the first step, we copy the video script, but in the second step, we use ChatGPT to rewrite the script in a unique and engaging way. Then we transformed it into a PowerPoint presentation script and instructed ChatGPT to shorten it to a maximum of 170 words to make it even more distinct. So there's no need to worry about copyright violations. At this point, the script has already been transformed into a completely new and different piece of content through the previous steps. It's important to note that ChatGPT is an intelligent AI that can recreate anything using the information provided to it. The important thing to keep in mind is that the content has been recreated from the ground up and is now different from the original. Now let's move forward to the next step, which is where things start to get exciting. Now go to this website, Tome AI. Click on Try Tome and sign up for a free account using your email and password. This is an AI that creates presentations based on the minimal information you provide, along with copyright-free images. When you're in Tome AI, click on Create in the top right corner, then select Create a Presentation About from the menu. Go back to ChatGPT, take the 170-word summary and paste it into Tome AI. After that, hit enter and Tome AI will generate a completely new presentation script for us, along with copyright-free images based on the information that we provided. The presentation has been generated now and it looks nice. If you don't like it, you can try again and it will create a completely different one. A title and the second slide have already been created, and the third slide shows how to earn money online. The fourth slide explains how to shorten your affiliate link and includes images. If you like the way your presentation looks, you can use it now. Now that the presentation has been generated, you have two options. Firstly, you can go through each slide and modify the text by adding more information, changing it, or editing it. You can even go back to ChatGPT and request more information on the topic to add to the presentation. Secondly, if you don't want to make any changes, you can keep the presentation as it is. All the materials in this presentation are copyright-free and can be used without charge. By signing up for a Tome AI account, you'll receive 500 credits for each account you create. If you run out of credits, there are two ways to obtain more. Currently, there is no payment option available. Instead, you can invite more people to join the app or create a new account with a different email address to receive another 500 credits. Here's a pro tip. You can create a new account and invite yourself to receive credits on both accounts. In case you're wondering, Tome also has a mobile app that you can use to access the presentation on your smartphone. To get started, simply download the app on your phone. Once you're ready with the presentation, you'll need to record it because we'll be creating a video from it. If you're using a computer, you can utilize software like OBS to record your screen. OBS is available for free and compatible with both Mac and Windows. On the other hand, if you're using your phone, you can use the built-in screen recorder that's available on iOS or Samsung. Both of these phones come with a native screen recorder that can be used for this purpose. The moment you've been waiting for is finally here, and it's time to get paid. To receive payment, you'll need to upload the recorded videos to your YouTube account. You'll need to create and upload 3 videos every week, posting them on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. It's important to keep in mind that each video you create builds upon the previous one. Eventually, your collection of videos will generate passive income for you, and this is how it works. By following the 3-video framework every week, you can consistently make $750 every day throughout the year. This will result in approximately 4,500 sales per year. Let me break down the numbers for you. If you decide to sell this particular online course and create 156 videos per year, which is 3 videos per week, and each video generates 1,000 views, you'll accumulate a total of 156,000 views. From these views, you can expect around 4,500 sales per year. Again, you won't even have to create the videos all by yourself because ChatGPT can do it for you. Achieving 4,500 sales is only 2.88% of the total views you'll be generating. That's a very achievable number. With 4,500 sales, you can expect to earn an annual income of $274,500 to $445,500, or a monthly income of $23,000 to $37,000. To make those sales, all you have to do is post a video on YouTube and include your affiliate link in the description so people can see and buy the product through your link. It's highly recommended to place links in the description of each video or in the pinned comment section of every video you post. That's it. I know it's a lot to absorb for now, but eventually you will become familiar with the whole process, and it will be a breeze for you. Take your time to understand every step because this is the way to earn money. Thanks for watching, and I hope it was helpful. If it was, let me know in the comments. Stay tuned for the next video and have a great day. See you soon.